Yo, what's up? Good morning mga runners. So today we have week 4, day 1 of our marathon training. So 6 to 7 kilometer easy run ang plan natin, or 40 minutes easy run. Target pace ko 6:10 to 6:30. So let's go. Come and join me. Let's have some papawis this morning. Let's go. Share ko lang guys, kaya umaga tayo tumakbo today kasi dito tayo makatulog. So ginising na yung diwa natin. Kaya naisipan ko na lang tumakbo. Kaya let's run. 1K 6:40, 2K 6:06, 3K 6:02, 4K 5:53, 5K 5:57, 6K 6:54. So that's our week 4, day 1 power marathon training. So nakatapos na tayo ng 40 minutes easy run. So medyo bumilis tayo sa parting downhill. So parang nag-average tayo ng 5:55 doon. So ayun lang. I hope I encourage you once again to be stay active, to be wealthy, to be healthy, and always run for your life for a better living. So run safe palagi guys. Peace and have a good day. Let's go.